This is my Weber. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Without me, my Weber is useless. Without my Weber, I'm useless. Now, if you know, you know. Today I'm gonna show you how I configure my Weber for all kinds of cooking.
All kinds of cooking.
This specific Weber has been with me for the last 12 years and is still looking as beautiful as it looked the first day I saw it in the store. In this Weber I have cooked, baked, smoked, and made the most unforgettable memories with families and friends. Say hello. Say hello, Mr. Georgie. Say hello. So, let's get started. The first and most common way of using a Weber is for grilling. This configuration is easy and very practical. The main idea is to create two different sections of heat within the grill so we can control what's happening. For that, we will light up our fire and set it in a corner of the grill. With this simple configuration, we can cook with indirect heat, perfect for getting steaks and burgers up to temp. And we will have another section radiating a lot of heat, perfect for searing anything, steaks, burgers, and so on. Also, this area is great for direct cooking. The best tool to use there will be a cast iron skillet, where veggies, potatoes, or anything else can be cooked to perfection. The second configuration we will talk about will be for smoking. Smoking is the art of low and slow, and the Weber is one of the best tools for that science. We can use the slow and zero like I have here, or simply adding charcoal to a corner of the grill. In case you don't have a slow and sear, a water tray will be the best helper. I can light my charcoal up in one section of the grill and set a tray with water in the other side. So for those complaining that we confuse letters with numbers, let's call one section number A and the other one number B. This will cover two functions. Number one will contain the water, and that will make it a lot easier for you to work with the temperature, as the water will make any changes on temperature slower and gradual. Is gradual? 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 Series gradual? The other function will be to restrict the airflow coming from the bottom of the grill, forcing most of it up to the section holding the charcoals. If you want or need more airflow control, you can add a piece of aluminum foil to the bottom of the graze, so you can be sure no air is escaping your acute eye. Now, to control the temperature, you need to use the vents. Don't be afraid. Those vents are your friends, and after working with them for a little while, you will master them like anything else. For a nice long cook, I will set my vents to hold the temperature from 250 to 275 degrees. For that, the bottom vent will be open this much, and the top vent just like this. Need more or less heat? Just adjust and keep an eye on the grill. A thermometer placed inside the grill is very recommendable while you get the hang of it, as you should never trust the ones that come with any grill. A fact that is very important for you to remember is that once you move those vents around, the temperature will change, but not right away. After any adjustment, you should wait at least 10 to 15 minutes to see the changes on temperature. So, if you need to change your temperature, do it gradually. And by just adjusting the top vent this much, I know I will get a temperature change of about 10 to 15 degrees in about 10 to 15 minutes. And the last configuration I want to show you today will be the vortex. The vortex was created for more directional heat, but it can be used as an indirect heat source too. For example, you want to cook a Pittsburgh steak with your Weber. Pittsburgh steaks has to be cooked at a very high temperature, over 800 degrees, for a very short period of time. If you don't know what a Pittsburgh steak is, the easier explanation would be to cook a steak to be almost burnt outside and very rare inside, like a blue steak but with a heavier sear. And for that, I will set the vortex in the middle of the grill and open the bottom vents, keeping the top lid open. And I will add a big and heavy cast iron skillet right on top of the fire. And after about 20 minutes, the vortex should get the pan to 800 degrees. It is very recommendable to use lump charcoal for this cooking style, as lump charcoal burns way hotter than briquettes. Another option of using the vortex will be to cooking in the outside of the fire area. This is perfect for cooking vegetables or chicken wings. Ah, those perfect chicken wings. Well, guys, what do you think about those chicken wings, man? Well, there you have it, guys. Those chicken wings are amazing. We should give it a try. Let's give it a try real quick.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Just for you to know how they
so
are.
hot.
Ooh, they're
Feeling hot. Can make it more.
We got some
Oh, wow.
blue cheese here.
Mm-hmm. Wait for me, Ninja. Dingity dingity. Look at the color.
Oh,
That looks
God.
so good. Let's do it.
Oh my God. You can eat the bones, man. We got some napkins here.
You know what I love about it?
What?
They're crunchy.
So crunchy,
I love
so
it.
good, so
Okay,
nice.
Hear it?
Well, guys, these chicken wings are delicious, brother.
Ninja proof.
And now you learn how to configure the Weber for each and different occasion. Whatever you're gonna do with the Weber, you can do it in the Weber, guys.
Oh, yeah.
The Weber is the machine. You remember the video we made last week about the cheap stuff? The Weber is cheap and it's amazing, and you can do everything with it.
Oh, yes,
Now,
you
let me
can.
ask you something. Did we make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and
Let's do it.
family.
Do
And
it.
don't forget to share these videos on your social network. That helps us a lot.
Oh, yes, it does.
Let me know down in the comments what do you guys think. If you use any other different way that I didn't use here, share with me, share with everybody. It's all for you guys, for the community. And that's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Mwah. Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Let's eat some chicken wings.
Let's do it.